In this video, we will show you how to borrow money from Binance. If you guys want to get started with Binance, you can use the links down in the description. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Binance in the search bar. Next, click on the first link that appears to go directly to Binance's official website. Once you're on the home page, look for the More option in the menu and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Loans to access Binance's borrowing features. Here, you'll find the detail about the loan works. Binance allows you to repay the loan anytime, has a simple transaction fee, and let use flexible assets as a collateral. Now, click on Borrow Now to proceed. Next, enter the amount you want to use as a collateral. This is the value you'll provide to secure your loan. Then, type in the amount you wish to borrow. Make sure it's within the limit shown for your collateral. Finally, check the box to agree to the service agreement and click Start Borrowing to complete the process. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to borrow money from Binance. So that's how to borrow money from Binance. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.